How to change Google Play Store country. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Google Play Store country step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you simply have to tap on settings, and now here, under the settings, simply tap on general, and after that, tap on account and device preferences. And now here, under the account and device preferences, you will find country and profiles. So there, simply tap on it. But as of right now, I have already changed my country location. So here, once you change a country location, you can't change it for 365 days. So you just have to wait for that much time to change your country location again. And here, if you are physically in different country, you will see the options to switch to new country. So simply select it and then add a payment method from that country to confirm. But keep in mind that you can only change your Play Store country once per year, and after switching, your old balance or gift card won't carry over. And some apps may disappear if they are not available in the new region too. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Google Play Store country quickly and easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.